minute of the day. We are going, I don't know where, but my guide will tell you.
To Hierve El Agua, which is like a really nice site with a petrified waterfall and little pools with a nice view.
So we might be able to swim, and the weather is pretty good. So the only point is that we don't know when we will reach the point because we have to wait for different buses, and it's a little bit tricky, but it's fun. We are here in a traditional bus station, and we hope to get there soon. Behind me we got our minibus. We'll cross the mountain with that. That's a wonderful view. It's unbelievable.
I didn't really know about the Hierve El Agua, what it was like, what we would see. Just, yeah, I knew about petrified waterfalls, but it's way more beautiful than what I thought. It's bigger than what I thought. There are also more people than what I thought, but still, even with the people, it is a magical, magical place. I've never seen anything like it. Wow, if you're around here, you should definitely come. It's just incredible what nature does.
This is probably one of our last visit here in Mexico, and you will understand why in a couple of days, but it's a real gift. I'm so happy we got the chance to visit this place before we move on to something else. And yeah, it's just wonderful. The energy here, the atmosphere, the view, everything is just perfect. I have no words. It's just like this. This is almost the end of our daily visit, and as you can see, we are not in an old truck or old buses anymore. We got the chance, a gift coming after another gift. We had the chance to meet two friends from Canada, and they gave us a lift. So direct lift to Oaxaca to be on time at the dentist. So today we'll make some decision.